Hello, hello. I'm Juliana Hever, the plant-based dietitian, and this is the What Would Juliana Do Q&A. So many of you have asked for more recipes, so today I wanted to show you something called the Herbed Dijon Potato Salad that is from the Healthspan Solution. But more importantly, I wanted to show you the very special dressing that is for that salad because I make this dressing all the time. I use this dressing on other salads as well. The flavors are so amazing in my opinion. It's really like 7 ingredients unless you count black pepper and water, so then it's 9 ingredients. And these are things that you should have in your kitchen pretty much all the time. They're easy to keep around. It's really easy to whip this up in 5 minutes, literally. So I'm gonna start with that, and it's very easy. So this base, I usually use cashews, but I use hemp seeds in this actual recipe. So many people reach out and say, I can't eat cashews, what's another option? Hemp seeds you can replace cup for cup what you would use in a cashew-based recipe. And then you're getting all these wonderful omega-3 fatty acids that are very health promoting. So that's a cup of hemp seeds in there. And then we have 3 garlic cloves. So it's about 3 garlic cloves minced. That's gonna give it that punch. And then we've got 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. So just plain apple cider vinegar. This is a wonderful, calorie-free, delicious, really healthy ingredient that people use all over the place. This is, how much is this? This is 1 tablespoon of low sodium tamari. In fact, I think this one's actually coconut aminos. You could use those too, it doesn't matter. Whatever way you like to get your salty liquid in. And then I use about a tablespoon of pure maple syrup. So this is just a little tiny bit. This goes a long way to balance the flavors and you get some sweetness in there. And then we have Dijon mustard. This is 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. I'm gonna put that in there as well. And finally, we have some, this is the secret sauce. This is chipotle tabasco sauce. I love this stuff. I put this on everything. It says, what is it, like half a teaspoon in there, a teaspoon in there, but this is probably more than a teaspoon, probably closer to a tablespoon. Listen, if you don't like hot, just omit it. You could use regular Tabasco too, because you'll get that little sour vinegar boost with that, but again, not required. And then you're gonna add some water and a little bit of black pepper, which I already added just because I was saving a dish. And that's it. And then you blend it away and you end up with this creamy deliciousness. It is so amazing, and it's omega-3 fat rich and all that. So I will keep this in my fridge and I will use this on a green salad, or I'll use it on the potato salad that's in the book. So I already prepared that. Basically, I took 2 little things of those little baby potatoes. It doesn't matter what kind you use, fingerling or these little round ones. And I like them mixed because it's so pretty. Look how pretty that is. And what's so cool about this is that I put this in the fridge I cooked this yesterday. I boiled the potatoes and then I drained the potatoes and then I let them cool down and I refrigerated them so I can make this today. And what's interesting about this is that you're getting a lot of resistant starch. This is a wonderful prebiotic for building that healthy microbiome. One of the most wonderful parts of eating a plant-based diet is all those healthy fibers and prebiotics and resistant starch that you get from cooked and cooled potatoes. So you're gonna get that right off the bat from here. And then this is a little different than the actual recipe, and that's okay. I always say a recipe is a template. It doesn't have to be perfect. Use what you have in your kitchen, use what you have in your fridge, and use it, to make sure you don't waste stuff. You could always make amendments, especially when it's not baking. Baking is a little bit more tricky. It's more chemistry involved. This is so simple. This is a throw it together salad, and that's how I love to eat. So I'm gonna pour that into the potatoes, and we're gonna mix it all up. But then the last part is I'm going to add in the dressing. Now I already added some fresh herbs. I had different herbs than are in the recipe in the book. So usually there's dill, and what else is in there technically? Fresh dill, flat leaf parsley, and green onions. So today I felt like having some thyme, the herb thyme, and I also put in some chives because that's what I had in my fridge, and that's okay. Doesn't have to be perfect. Tailor it to your needs. I want you to find recipes that you love to eat and that taste good and that fit your needs dietarily. If you have allergies or intolerances or anything like that, because many people do, it doesn't matter. But if you think about this, not only are we getting a rainbow, but we're getting this wonderful starch that's going to be satisfying. This is a cauliflower rice hash that I added in here instead of carrots and celery and onions that's in the recipe. I love doing that like little convenience thing because it makes it accessible and you can make it anytime. Again, a recipe does not have to be perfect. You just need to do it to meet what you have and what you prefer and at the right time. So that is it. This is my finished product. It is a very heavy bowl of deliciousness. It's going to be very satisfying because it's got a ton of fiber. There is so much fiber and phytonutrition in this bowl, I don't even know where to begin. So I hope you will try it and I hope you love it. And thank you so much for joining me. Please reach out with your questions and your comments below and via direct message, as well as at my website, plantbaseddietitian.com. I'll see you next time.